Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to knock someone out on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. So let's get started right away. Now in order to knock some enemy out, you will first need to have entered the crouch mode and you will need to sneak towards your enemy from the behind. So tap on the C button to enter your crouched mode and then simply approach the enemy from behind. And you can tap on the F button to grab them and then tap on R in order to knock them out without killing the enemy. After this, the enemy will be knocked out, but you may want to move the body in order to hide the evidence. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to knock someone out on the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.